how to solve not posted yet problem on Instagram apps. So if you have any problem with the upload, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. So first thing you wanna do, open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps manager page. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the storage. Make sure to click on this option, it's called clear data and clear cache. Click on those two options, go back, click on data usage, make sure to enable all those options here, and now go back again into the settings of your phone, click on the wireless, add networks, and now all what you want to do here is very simple. Go to the airplane mode and enable it for 5 seconds and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.